I gotta think about how I want to do that. I'm gonna add I think there's like a redirects. Where is that? Is it in here? Redirect? Yeah. Redirects. Oh. Okay, can they go to external links, I guess? Can they be external links? Let's just try. Let's just try. Let's just try it like this. Or was it an array? Type record. No, yeah, it's like this. So, redirect / report to, let's just try google.com. Yeah, it knew what I was getting at. So then if this goes to report, then when I click this, nothing happens. Why? Wait, what? href. Can I not set the state to error? Is that something, a quirk about the component, that if it's in the error state, you can't click it? Yeah, that's what it is. Report bug? Okay, so we're gonna make that text red. Okay, report bug. And it works. So my external redirect is working. Feels good. Report bug. So let's see. How do I want to make this look like his mock? So he's got a red cursor there. A red cursor. Let's do cursor. Cursor. I think that's a component. Is it not a component? Caret. My bad. Caret. Oops. Caret is orange, but we're gonna do, can I not put some space between those? Let's see. Flex gap 2. No? Why not? Because it's a span? Is it because it's a span? I guess I could, could this be a div? Or I don't need that? That's not good. Let's see. That did give me the gap, but we gotta do items center. Okay. And then I want to make the caret actually a different color. Can I pass in class to this? Is it handling? No. Oh yeah, class. So local and others. Local class list. Okay, so I can pass class in, I think. Class, is it background? Red 11? Subtle, but it's going to change that from, yeah, orange to red. Perfect. Yes, you can pass class. What's up? That's Oetsy. I've already talked to you today. I don't know why I started to greet you. Like it's like you just showed up. Let's see. I still have React, but it's a bad holy war to go on about. Oh, my 2 cents on having to avoid specifying the line numbers. Benajman, thank you so much for sending a playground. Let's pull this up and take a look. Can I buy coffee yet? Yes. Ocelot, wait, are you in the US? You don't feel this is clean? Well, we'll take a look. Oetsy loves solid.js. I love Oetsy, so that works out. No, you're not in the US. Well, okay, here's the thing. I coded it all yesterday for international shipping. Ads are starting. Ads, we'll talk in a bit. I'm just going to stare at the screen and talk to you guys while ads are going. Wait a minute. I've been sharing my screen, right? Yeah. Okay, ads are running, so we're just hanging out, doing nothing. My coffee, also, so I coded it yesterday. The Twitch, or the international shipping for the coffee. It's a problem that may or may not see the light of day because, wait, international combined now? Not yet, Ibra, sorry. I coded it. Dax is looking it over. The problem is, aside from my terrible code, which which is probably terrible. Aside from that, the shipping costs are atrocious. So international shipping, even to Canada, was just like way prohibitively expensive because we can't do the super slow one. If we were shipping t-shirts, it's like whatever. If it takes weeks to get to you, who cares? But we're shipping a coffee that gets staler every moment it's not in your coffee cup. You know what I mean? So we need to we have to choose a shipping option, Priority Mail International, that's like 3 to 7 days or something, which is reasonable for coffee, but it's extremely expensive. Yeah, you don't want months old roasted coffee, exactly. So it's a problem that I don't know a solution for. I don't think we have a solution just yet. The real solution, the end game here, is to have roasters in every locale, every location where we sell coffee, right? That's the ultimate goal, is to have a European coffee roaster that ships all of our European coffee. Have a South American roaster that ships all of our South American coffee. That's the goal. I don't know, poor Australia, what we'll do for you if we're going to have an Australian roaster. If anyone knows a way to contact good potential partners, we have very specific requirements. You'll be my UK partner and find a roaster? That'd be great. Welcome to chat, Jesmilb. Good day, Twitch streamer. That seems... Australia has a good coffee culture. Okay. Hit me to start a Canadian arm. I'll handle logistics here. So that's the thing. We need, like... Logistics is a nightmare. That's right, Benjamin. It's like we need as few people as possible that we're dealing with. Ideally, like, we have one good partner in each region, but even then, now we got like 4 different roasters. That's going to be a challenge. I wish our current roaster here in the US just could like find roasters all over the world that he trusts and teach them the process, because we do have like very specific requirements, and it's going to get more specific over time as we have more blends and we have more packaging, like boxes and stuff that are specific, stuff we put in the boxes. There's just a lot, like, we can't just like, boom, we have somebody in Europe that's doing this for us. We have to actually like ship them bags, ship them boxes, do all the coordinating on process and all that. It's just kind of a lot, but we're going to get there. Welcome to chat, Divi. Australia is probably the best coffee culture. Was shocked how bad coffee is in other places. Interesting. All I hear is a bunch of excuses. The thing is, at Terminal, we're not just trying to like monetize our personal brand or something. Like, some people think, I know I saw this on Twitter. People think we started this and it's like, oh, we're just starting another coffee brand. And like, we're just drop shipping coffee, and it's like, all we had to do is upload a logo and then we're done. No, we're trying to sell actually really good coffee. And not just that, really good products. Like, curated and selected just for developers. Like, we want to make the best possible products for developers, sell them all over the world, because we do have this very global friend base, right? A global audience of people all over the world watch Prime, right? And we want to sell them excellent products in their location so that shipping isn't insane. But we're not just trying to like drop ship coffee all over the world and not care what the product is. We actually care about the products. Does that make sense? Okay. Anyway, cost of shipping in Europe from the US is quite prohibitive, but we may still open it up. We'll see. Welcome to chat, Arvok. Okay. I'm already on this screen. I just transitioned to nothing. So let's see. I need to go over here, and we're off ads. We've been off ads. I've just been ranting. Spoken like a true dropshipper. Don't read my name out loud. Too late. Just read it. Okay, so what was I doing over here? Oh, I was going to look at this Solid.js playground. So editor, line, lines, children, props, children. Okay, I remember doing something like this. Li, list style, none. See, the problem is the details here. The styling of this is the problem. I did go down this path and I learned about the children function and all this. I went down that path. The problem is styling this in a way that actually does what I want. So like, the whole item is clickable when it's a link. There's like a bunch of styling that happens outside of the list, the line number. Anyway, that's the real challenge, is this line component has a lot going on in it. And getting it to work in this context seems to be a challenge. Like, I wish I could just inject a prop, the number prop, into the line from the parent. I don't know, is that possible? ssh16, will crypto be added as a payment method? Maybe. It's possible. Tom, did we start with the hardest product? Maybe. It might be. But we also just, you know, developers love coffee. It's kind of like a fun thing to sell. I don't know. There's parts of it that are very attractive. Okay, let's finish this page. So a report bug, and then we're going to have this little thank you for reporting state. It's going to look very similar to the SSH component, which has a, copy. So on click. So line has an on click, and we can change the state of this stuff. Oh, I could just do it like this probably. I could just probably do it like this. State equals success. So what am I doing in copy? Am I setting the state of the thing? Set state success. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go up here and we're gonna have a. Oh, this does have some interactivity. Or I could just have the link. I'm gonna have to actually hydrate this thing. That's fine. We'll hydrate it. Why not? So copy has SSH timeout. What was that for? What's SSH timeout for? What is this? Restore. Oh, it restores it back to. We're not going to do that this time. Okay, we're not going to do that this time. This one is not going to do that. We also don't have to do that. So set state. We do need to copy this. This is a signal. Here. What is state? That comes from component line. Okay, so normal state to start. When you copy, we're going to set the state to error, actually. And we're not going to restore it. So this is going to be called report. Okay? And then down here, we're going to have a on-click report. And then I'm going to have a bunch of stuff in here. So when state is something, it's going to be one thing versus another. Let's just copy this whole thing. I am a little confused about how all this works. SSH supplement. SSH supplement. Why does it have an ID? SSH message? Why do these have IDs? I feel like it's just hidden or shown based on. So class group SSH. But in here I did have some this. Okay, let's copy the whole thing over and then I'm gonna review it a little closer. SSH message. This is copy to clipboard, copied to clipboard. And we're hover. Okay, so we're showing these things based on hover state and such. Whatever. So let's go back here to our var dump. And we're going to say, so report bug, caret, and then all this stuff. I do need to go ahead and in the var dump page, I need to say client load. I need to hydrate this thing since we're actually doing solid stuff now. This is going to be the little bug icon. When normal, it's going to be what? Okay, let's look at this a little closer. So we have SSH supplement. I don't think these need IDs at all. This is hidden, text gray. I think I only want to show some stuff. I just want to show a little extra thing after you click it. So I don't need, right? Yeah, I don't need any, let's see. Nothing when state is normal. We're just going to have a, Win state is success. We have a check mark, and then down here. Okay, there's like an if or something, right? Instead of switch, isn't there like a... What is it in solid? Can somebody tell me? Show win. Thank you so much. Show. That's the one I was looking for. Show win. Yeah. Yes. Show. This is so much better. We already have that. I'm missing something in the show. It's show win state equals an error. No overload. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this? Match, copy to clipper. Okay. I'm deleting all this stuff because this was all not really what I want. Why? What's wrong with show here? Why does it say no overload matches? When keyed fallback children. Oh, it doesn't have any children. Test. Okay. So when state is error, and it's going to become error when we click on it. So if I go back to the page now, it's in the error state. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Why is it not background red if it's state error? Border red, background red when state is error. Huh. Oh, am I passing the state in? Oh, I'm not passing the state in. I gotta pass the state in. Where is that? SSH. Okay, I'm not feeling that either. I like Rufus Wainwright. I like him a lot, but that's just, I'm not feeling it. I am feeling this song though. Set lines. Okay, state and then state. Yeah. So here, this is going to be state equals state. Now we're good. Okay, so when this is going to say what? What did he have in here? Thank you for reporting. So it's like hashtag thank you for reporting. Something like that. Let's take a look. Close that. Close that. Okay, if I go back to it. Yeah, thank you for reporting. Okay, and then I want to put that little bug icon, because that's cute. David's awesome. He comes up with good stuff. How do I copy? Just the copy as SVG? Oh, yeah. Do I have icons in here? How do I do icons? I think I just drop in the... I think I just drop it in like this. That's fine. What color is stroke already set? I think I probably have that in my Tailwind. I'm just so pedantic about this stuff. Gray, I probably already have that gray, right? Or I can just text inherit. I can just inherit. So class stroke inherit. Yeah. And then I'm gonna say width 5, height 5 or something. How big is it? I guess I gotta do this. Show hide UI. 20 by 20. Yeah, that's 5. Nailed it. Nailed it. Oh, but it's not visible. Why not? Stroke. It's like stroke current color. Is that it? Yeah, look at that little guy. Welcome to chat. What to do? Can you please use size 5 instead of width? Oh, size 5? How did I not know this? Are you kidding me? Size 5? There's a size. I didn't even know about this utility. That's amazing. Someone VIP that man. Oh, Etsy, the hero. What it shows needs show needs a child. You don't have state online. The prop. You're the best, Etsy. Let's VIP Etsy. I agree. VIP Etsy official. This chat is so much friendlier than when Dax is not around. I know, right? Size matters. Adam is learning Tailwind CSS. Seriously though, I can't believe I didn't know that there's a size. How did I? How did I just learn that? So what's wrong with that? There was something is not the right gray, and that bothers me. It's not the right gray. What is that gray, and why is that gray different? Or real question is, why is this gray different? Let's just go up here and let's say, can I pass class to this? No. I don't think I can, no. Let's just do this. I don't know. Is this actually a good idea? Is this a good idea? Text inherit. I feel like those should be the same gray, you know? Why is that different? What is that? Oh, it's because it's when you select the, wait, what? It's like the active state or something. You see that? It's when it's in focus. I think it's fine. Is it fine? I don't know. I think it's in the line somewhere in here. Pro text center. Let's see. Props children. I bet there's like a text. Text. Gray 10. But then focus is text gray 11. Yeah, that's what it is. So why didn't it affect the SVG though? Why didn't the little bug end up the same color? That's what I want to know. I have stroke inherit. Stroke inherit is different than text inherit, isn't it? So I need to do stroke as well. So in here, when I have focus, text gray, yeah. Yeah, so, oops. Focus, a stroke gray 11, maybe? Is that right? Maybe? I don't know. No. See how when it's focused? Oh, it's focused. I don't know. I'm obsessing over the tiniest of details. I'm just gonna drop it. I feel like that's the kind of thing it's gonna drive me crazy, but whatever. Welcome to chat, Chronic Maths Debater. Love the camera quality. Thanks so much. Oh, we can't even see the browser thing here? Oh, you can't even see it? You can't even see it, huh? Let's just see what I can do here about this. You can't, oh, because my head is in the way? Is that what? Oh no, my head is in the way all the time for this. I'm so sorry. You guys can't even see this. This whole time. Let me show you. See this little guy? You haven't been able to see this little guy the whole time. I'm so sorry. Report bug. And then see how when it's in focus, that text is a different color than... No, it's always a different color. What? Thank you for reporting. Why is that a different color? Huh. Huh. Let's refresh the page. So report bug, you click on it, and now the error state is red, and that text is just slightly different. You know what? So is that though. They're both different. What does David have in here? Oh, so that guy's like a lighter color. Let's just make him the lighter color. Let's find that color. What is that color? Oh, I just deleted it from the SVG. Okay, I gotta go back. I just don't have enough room. Don't have enough room to show my dumb head. Let's see. Undo. This is scary because I don't know what all I'm undoing. Ugh. Okay. Redo. Okay. So here is the stroke. Maybe I should just leave it like that. Yeah, it's fine. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay. It looks a little too big. You guys can't see it, I know. Just looks a little too big. Yeah, it is too big. Also, there should be more space between these two. So let's see. I can make that gap bigger, but that's a problem. So it's gonna have to be like a div. No, I'll put it inside this. Div. And this will be a class flex gap 4 or something. And then I want to make this smaller. Size 4. Is that that's 16? That doesn't seem right. The view box is 18. Okay. Okay, this detail is getting a little out of hand in terms of how much time I've spent on it. So let's move on. Item center. I keep opening the Google tab. That looks good. Thank you for reporting. Did I change the stroke all of a sudden? I did. How did I undo that? How did I do that? We'll just make this text. What is that color? Oh, you know what? This whole error page, the color's wrong. It's not that gray, it's like a white. I'm actually paying attention now, and that is a different color. That's pure white. Okay, so all this text needs to be white. Well, let's just do this. Let's just do this. Class text white. Done. Right? Those should all inherit. No. Oh, line. It's because the line overrides it. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it on each line, unfortunately. Need to. That's kind of unfortunate. It's kind of unfortunate, but whatever. Oh. What? There's no time to hurry. That's what my grandpa used to say. There's no time to hurry. You start hurrying, things go poorly. This one won't have white text. Okay, they should all have white text now. Oh, the line numbers are white. No! This sucks. Oh, that sucks. Undo, 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 undo. So I can't do it at the line level. How am I going to do this? I'm going to have to do it on each paragraph. Okay, maybe I can solve this actually globally. Maybe I can solve this globally. Like, how would I want to do that? What are you building? Emo Giraffe. Welcome to chat. First time. Greetings from Egypt. We're building a coffee shop in the terminal. What was my answer to how Astro over Solid? Or how am I finding Solid over Astro? Kind of just like different needs, you know? Yeah, that's that's what I was thinking. But the problem is, where would I put that? Because each line is its own HTML tag. So I can't like, oh, or wait, would that handle nesting as well? That would just be direct children, right? Is there a way I can do it for all children? I don't know if I want to do it for all children, actually. It just needs to be all these top ones. So I could make a little, like, it would be really dumb, but I could make like a little component for this p tag that just has the text white in it. I don't think that's worth doing. Because I don't think it's actually every p tag. I think it's literally just these parent tags. Class text white. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. You know what I mean? Okay. That's all of them. The text is white, just like the mock. Is it a little too thick? Is the text too thick? It looks too thick. What's the weight on this? Weight 400. And what do we got here? What do we got here? Weight. Where's the font weight? Font. Huh. Well, let's just set it and just see. So let's go to the first one. Font thin? Or is it text thin? No, yeah, font thin. Is that's 100. 300, 400. Oh, it's just font normal, so that should be what it is. It looks so much thicker. Doesn't that look thicker? Let's do light and see. Let's see what 300 looks like. See, that looks so much better. Why does it look so thick at 400? I don't feel like that's correct. You can search weight in computed. Oh, I could have searched it. Vim can't multi-select all p tags and just add classes at once. Am I zoomed in? So there's a way to do that, right? I could have just like found replace all the p tags. Yes, I could have done that. So like I could have done this p like that, and then replace all the p tags or whatever. I could have done it, yeah. I could have. Sometimes I just brute force things, you know? Sometimes I just don't use my brain. Sometimes that's what I do. I'm gonna make it 300 because I just like it. And can I do that on the editor? Font light. I just like the look of the 300 better. Oh, but the line never changed. No! I just can't figure out why this says this is 400, and yet it looks so thick on my thing. It just looks too thick. Okay, we're doing it. Font light. Okay. I just think that looks better. So report bug opens that and says, thank you for reporting. We're going to put a bigger gap on that. Like, what, 6? Yeah, it's better. Thank you for reporting. Okay, this is good enough. I've spent enough time tweaking the little itty bitty parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Feels good. All right, now the actual link is not Google, right? I'm letting you guys on a little secret. I'm letting you guys in on a little secret here. Astro, this is the actual thing we're going to send you to. So if you get your coffee, there's going to be a little link on the side. It's very faint. It's kind of hard to see, actually. You got a bug to report, Hacksaw? Yes. Oh, you mean the bug you already reported to me? Because I got that one under control. I'll take care of that. So when you actually click on the link, you're just going to get rickrolled. Oh, why didn't it work? Right? Maybe I need to restart the page. Nope. Maybe I need to restart the Astro server. Redirecting to an external link is not officially supported. What? It worked for Google. Why is that not supported? Why wouldn't that be supported? Why not? How you doing, Hacksaw? You'll find more? Yeah, find more. Let me know. Adam, is the giveaway entry button a scam today? There is no giveaway today. I'm sorry. I gotta fix my, it's my new website, actually, that's causing that issue. There's the smart way, and there's the Adam way. It's just a warning. Should be good. Yeah. Just a warning. Don't need to worry about warnings. Why wouldn't it be supported? What's different about... Why doesn't it even work? It doesn't even work. Why is it sending me to Google? Wait a minute. That's not what I have it /report, yeah. Is it cached? Why is that not working? Report. Send me here. Huh. It's sending me to the old link. Let's just remove the redirect altogether and then see what happens. It's still redirecting. What is going on? Why? Is the browser doing it? Is it the browser? Application. Clear. Why? Why? I hate stuff like this. Oh my word. Why are you doing this? Report 2. How about that? Jeez. Like something is caching that, and who knows what it is. That is so obnoxious. Like, that's so unbelievably obnoxious to me. Okay. So here's the thing. Reported. Oops. We just can't even use report now because I don't know. It's so dumb. Okay, whatever. It's so dumb. Okay, you got rickrolled. Boom. You report the issue, you get rickrolled. Welcome to chat. Control Shirt R. Yeah, I'm doing the control shift. I'm like hard refreshing it. Disable cache. Oh, well, that's a good idea, Priv. Redirects get cached in the browser. You would know that if you've done web dev longer than 15 minutes. You guys all gave me the answer. I'm good with trying to reproduce the bug myself. It's just a warning. Okay, did I catch up? Welcome to chat again, Veru. Veru, you did not change the link to report 2. Redirects from HTTP to HTTPS. Classic. Open Chrome Inspector. Welcome, Mogul Buster. Open Chrome Inspector. Then right-click the page refresh button. Empty cache and hard reload. Let's do this. Let's just make sure. You guys, you say this should work. If I hard refresh, I believe I was, but let's just see. Let's just see if I was. Okay. So now the code is in the state that I want it to be in. Let's hard refresh. Empty cache and hard reload. Boom. It does not work. Yes, it does. It does work, I think. It works. Okay. Thanks. Thanks, everybody. What's up, Major Havoc? Welcome to chat. Go to Apple, buy a new MacBook. Your cache is done. It's NeoVim. What's up, AJ? Working on web stuff, AJ. So that's var dump. Now, do I want to change up the text for the other pages? Or do I want to just copy them all? Do we want all the pages to be... I feel like they should have a little extra something for each blend. Like, you're going to end up on this page because of one specific blend, in this case 404. And I feel like we should make a different error text for each page. Oh, you know what we could do? Here's what we could do. So hot when you step on this. Oh my god. Here's what we could do. I have a new bug. Security.txt. What's that? So here's what we could do. We could... 404, I don't know, because it's just like an HTTP error, so maybe it should just be JavaScript. But for the segfault page, we could do like a Go stack trace, okay? Wait, no, segfault would be C. When do you segfault? Like C or something? What's up, Arpit? Please add a security.txt. Okay, like this. Where should I have you log these things, Haxor? Because I can't do all these things that you're going to ask for right this second, but I want to make sure I don't lose them. Can you DM me that? Okay, PHP and Go can segfault. When you think of segfault, what is the language, though, that you think of? You know what I mean? What's the, like, main thing you think of when you segfault? So there's segfault, Then we have dark mode. It's not really a language associated with dark mode. And then object is definitely JavaScript. So we could have like the error pages look like, okay, C is what you think of for segfault. So we'll get like a C stack trace. You think of PHP because that's your main language. That makes sense. Go because include unsafe too often. Okay, let's do this. I don't know what I'll do for 404 in dark mode. I need clever ideas. You guys are clever. That's what I should use Twitch chat for this. Each bag, you know, we have 4 blends. Let me just pull them up here. We have 4 coffee blends. Oh, did I close all those? I closed them all. Bummer. Let's see if I can twitter.com/terminal.shop. We've probably got pictures of the bags on here somewhere. Yeah, here we go. So we have 4 different blends: 404, object, dark mode, and segfault. Okay? Can you see that? You can't really see it. But the point is, they're all kind of like developer themed, but they have different slants on them. The object is very JavaScript themed. Obviously, it's playing on the, like, when you print an object and it shows object. Anyway, dark mode, not really themed. Segfault, we're going to go with C. And then 404 is kind of like HTTP or web-based, whatever. Welcome to chat, crew. Hi. Just don't ship 404s. That's so funny. For dark mode, you should just make it so you have to pay for light mode. Can order 12 bags at a time? Yes, you can. So we have these 4 different blends. Each of them on the side, on one of the side panels, they have a very faint URL listed, okay? And that's what I just built, is the page that you're going to land on when you go to these very faint URLs. If you see the URL, it's kind of an Easter egg. You'd have to look pretty hard. But on the side of the bag, there's like /vardump and /error and /whatever. We have all these little pages. I think they should all be different. I think they should be unique to each blend. We shouldn't just have the same page that you land on for each link. But how do we theme them? So the page I just built, that we just looked at, this one right here, this is what I built for 404. It's just, David just mocked one thing. He mocked this page. And I'm wondering, should we change? So segfault, the obvious thing is we could have like a C error, like a C stack trace instead of JavaScript. This is very clearly JavaScript stuff. What should we do for dark mode? Well, just tell me what we should do for all these different blends. 404, dark mode, segfault, object. This makes sense for object. But what should 404 be? Should it just look like a 404 not found page? You can report the error, maybe? Would that be too confusing? No, that would actually be really good. A fork bomb? What? What? Should be a dead bean. That's interesting. What is a living bean? I mean, I guess like plants are living, so. How weird that plants are alive. Can we take a minute and just talk about how weird it is that plants are this living thing that like can't think or feel, I guess? How about mushrooms? Can we talk about mushrooms and how weird fungi are? Man, there's some weird stuff. You can start going down that thought process, and yet you kill them every day. That's right. Eating those plants. Anybody have any good ideas? I love mushrooms as well, Hacksaw. Anybody have any good ideas? I'm going to give you about like 10 more seconds. And if nobody has good ideas, I'm just going to move on. 404, we could style the page to look like a 404 page. Like there's nothing there. I think I'll just do that for 404. We'll do that real quick. So that would be good. Just like not found, whatever. You think about that every day since I watched The Last of Us? I haven't seen The Last of Us. Welcome to chat, Remus. So 404 I've got, this is going to be object. Dark mode could be near all near black, such that you have to select the text to see it. I love that, Raleigh. So we'll have the line numbers. Okay, the line numbers you'll see, but we'll make it so that the error text is like blending into the background unless you highlight over it. Oh, we got an ad. It's ad time. We'll see you guys after the ad. We're just going to be talking. Yes, you have to highlight the text. I love it. 404 coffee beans. Users can count to figure out the error code. 404 of them. I'm not necessarily trying to style this stuff, or not trying to theme it around coffee so much as I am, I don't know, Just the programming concepts that we're hinting at with these blends. Maybe like coffee mug spilling out for 404. I'm just gonna have the text in 404. We'll just build it here in a second. I'll show you what I'm thinking. It's gonna be a really big like centered div that just looks like a 404 styled page. Like nothing here. We don't know. Whatever. We'll make like a normal looking 404 page, but then there'll be a report bug and it'll rickroll you, right? Not report bug, but like report the missing page or something. People probably won't click on that one because they just won't think that it's actually a gag. AJ, are you there? Paul needs you. Coffee mug spilling out. I don't want to do anything that requires like graphics, so it's all got to be text based. Just because AJ's always here. I don't need to like design something in Figma. Only highlight the letters dark across the whole text. That's interesting. It's getting more complicated. Design your CLI coffee store in Figma, LMO. Yeah, we did, actually. But are there any plant-based products in those bags? I'm new to your channel. In what bags? It's coffee, Vigkey. That's coffee in those bags. So it is plant-based. No ASCII art. Sounds hard. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Are the ads over? Can somebody tell me if they're still watching ads? Anybody know? Thematic 404, like, oops, looks like you spilled the wrong beans. That's actually pretty good, Remus. That's actually pretty good. Anybody know they're over? Okay, Sneaky Snakes, welcome to chat. Ads are over. Let's do it. Let's build a 404 page. The dilemma, showing you the showing you the code or showing you the page. That is the dilemma. So we're gonna call this one, actually, I'm gonna rename this one from vardump. Vardump is the 404 page, and what I need is debug. Which one is debug? Segfault. Error is object. So this needs to be the vardump. Let's rename this to I don't want to just name it error.tsx because that sounds like an actual component. I'll be very confused later. So I'm going to name it, all these are going to have a prefix, like Easter egg? What are these? What are these? These are like bag links. Man, I have to pee and I didn't do it during the ads. I hate when I do that. I'm so sorry. I have to pee. So I'm gonna have to go on break. I'll be right back. Why was the coffee shop built primarily? Welcome to chat, Pro Evils. What do you mean? He's building a terminal shop too? Welcome to chat, Cathene. Cathene. Who else is building coffee? Yeah, it's me, Prime, Tej, Dax, and David. Why was it built? To sell excellent coffee to developers. Tej is here. The power of friendship, exactly. Okay. I have decided to buy a Mac. That's good. Welcome to chat, Iking. Ikingu. Check out this page, Tej. We got a page. It's like when you go to the link on the bag, this is what it's gonna look like. This is the var dump link, and it's like, oh, there's an error. I hit a bad page. I need to report the bug. And when you click on report the bug, boom. It's pretty good, huh? This was all David. He came up with this. But now I want to go extra. Got him! Exactly. I want to go a little extra, and I want to like make each page different for each different blend. Like, it feels bad if they all just land on the same thing. Do you think so, Tej? I don't know. I could save some time if I just use the same page for all of them, but that just feels too generic. What I could do instead is make them cut. So let's do the dark mode one. This was an idea from Twitch chat, and I love it. An idea to make the dark mode, all the text is like, you can't see it unless you highlight it. So just the line numbers will be visible. But then when you highlight it, like now you see the text. And then maybe you don't see the report bug even unless you highlight it. Let's just try and build that. Oh yeah, I was trying to rename this file. These are all like, not teasers. What are they? They're like, dark mode should do light mode in the browser. That would actually be funny. It'd be the only page on our site that's light. That would actually be really funny too. Tej, you have all the ideas. What should we do for, so we have 404, dark mode, segfault, and object. I think this one, yeah, we're going to call them eggs. We're going to call them egg, Easter egg var dump. This one's going to be object. Or what is the object one? It's this page right here. Error. Ugh, that's no good. We need a good idea for all these, Tej. You get it. Can you make segfault so it somehow looks like the page only gets 1/3 of the way rendered? Like 1/3 of the way down, it stops rendering? I don't know how to do that. Like just have it white below that? But then we gotta be able to click the error link. You could come up with ideas for how the error link should be incorporated in the page too. Put a white box. Error text inside of the white. Okay, so like the background just gets rendered wrong. Like the background turns white. Yeah, we could do that. Okay, I need to get set up where I can start implementing these ideas. So we got to do, this is going to be, do I want to do error? That's just so generic, but whatever. Easter egg dash error. Easter egg error, error.tsx. I guess I could do them based on the blend names. Yeah, let's do it on the blend names. I'll thank myself later. Object. Because that is going to get very hard. What? Yeah. No, you can't find that because it doesn't exist. That's fine. Easter egg object. Let's rename the component. Easter egg object props. That's a mouthful. I got to get set up here to where I can actually implement all these cool ideas. I just got to rename some stuff. Easter egg object component. Var dump. This is going to be Easter egg. Nope. Easter egg object. Easter egg object. Such a mouthful. Okay. So now that's at least renamed. Var dump is not the right one. It's this one. Oh, come on. yank up there. Yank. Yes. Error. It's this one. So this is object. Perfect. Now var dump is which one? Segfault. Forbidden is dark mode. Debug is segfault. So that means this is 404 is right here. Okay. So we need an Easter egg for each of these. Let me rename these. Easter egg 404. Oh, I didn't rename it. I created a new one. Oh no, I renamed. Why did I do that? Object. Hang on. Okay, now I'm going to create a new Easter egg 404.tsx. I'm going to create Easter egg segfault tsx. And then an Easter egg dark mode tsx. Whoo! So much work. Okay, so we have object. What's wrong with this? Oh, we haven't made var dump yet. We've made error. Okay, that's for object. I think this one's good for object. Let's just leave that one alone because it's JavaScript, you know? This is why we're missing international shipping. 4 hours on Easter egg is impressive. Yeah, I know. Just put a white box over everything. Yeah. So we're gonna do this. I know how to do segfault. I know how to do. Do we just do a 404 for 404 Tej? Should I just make it like a 404? Hey, you got a typing or is your keyboard that satisfying? It's that satisfying. This is why we have the main shop at the terminal. Can you imagine how much time he'd spend writing weird Josh because the shopping goes in the browser? Hey Tej, do you agree that we can just leave this for object? It is JavaScript. It's a JavaScript stack trace. We've already got it designed. Feels good. Which one do I want to do next? Yeah, that one's good for object. Which one should I do next, Tej? 404 could be one of the other funny HTTP codes, like I'm a teapot or something. But why? Since it's already 404, shouldn't it be actually themed around a 404 page? I thought we could just make it look like an intentional 404 page, and then you can report missing page or whatever. What's the easiest one? Dark mode? That looks good too with report bad link. Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. So I'm gonna do dark mode first. Nope. Dark mode. We're gonna rename all this. Nope. I don't want to do that. I want to do this. Rename to Easter egg dark mode. I'll come back to moving those somewhere else in a bit. Easter egg dark mode. Okay, so we have dark mode. Let's go and put it on the page. Which one is dark mode? Forbidden? Yeah, okay. It's gonna look like this. Dark mode. Don't stop me now, guys. I'm having a good time. Okay? I'm having a good time. A real good time. Easter egg dark mode. Wanna go up in me. I don't actually know the words. Dark mode. Okay. Now we can go in here and change things. So this should be, what was it? I keep forgetting the names of these. Is it forbidden? Yes. So this, forbidden. Okay, check it out. So dark mode, here's what we're gonna do. What happens if I say text? So all these places where we say text white, what if we said text transparent? Okay. Not exactly what I'm going for. Looks good. And then dark mode, light mode. Oh, you said just do light mode, not like make it where you have to highlight the text. Because my thought was we could make it where you have to like highlight the text, Tej. So it's like it's the lights are out, it's dark. But you'd rather just do light mode? Because we can do that too. What is the name of the sidebar explorer? You mean in my NeoVim? In Vim tree? You're not Dax. You trust me? Oh no. Water in the lung. Welcome to chat, Super Ditto. Don't understand front end man. See ya, Teach. I'm sure I'll be like, if you're streaming, I'm sure I'll be raiding you real soon. Have a good rest stream. I will. So do I do the dark mode like this? Or do I make it a light mode page? I think the light mode thing they won't get. I think people just won't get it. Do I like that these errors are or that some of the words are actually visible? Does that look more busted and bad? I should probably make it all black. If I'm going to do the thing, I should make it all black. So let's do this. These are actually going to be different components. So funny enough. What's it called? What's the class? What's the utility or whatever it's called for selected text? Selection? Is it that? So I want it to be like this. I want it to be text transparent unless it's selected. Yeah, it works, but it looks awful. So let's not do that because the blue looks awful on the orange, right? I could make selection different. I could make the color of selection on this page not orange. Maybe that's what I'll do. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. I'll do, let's see, selection. How do you do selection? Here we go. How do you do like just the background color versus the, so selection background orange, okay. And then selection text black, okay, yeah. So let's do selection background gray 5, I don't know. Is that, the text should be white. So selection text white. That's pretty good. Is that pretty good? We could go a lighter gray. What's 7 look like? Ignore the red. That's wrong. Yeah. This is looking good. I like this. Wow. Was that a okay? Wow. Was that a what was that shot? Super Ditto. All black. Better. He got a Hollywood movie shot of this setup. Welcome to chat, Elite Source. Yeah. I got a camera that adds a little cinematic flair, you know. So we're gonna do this, and that should be red, and then we're gonna do this one. Nope. Text transparent, and then selection text purple. Okay. Now, all the text is missing. You got this blinking cursor, and you're like, what is going on? You highlight it. This feels pretty good. This is a good dark mode. I like it. Dark mode, the lights are out. Feels good. You highlight it, and now you can report the bug. You get rickrolled. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. Even me. That text is going to just stay. Is that okay? Do we want to change that? Do we want to change that? I think it's fine. It's kind of a busted page, but that's kind of the idea. Oh, I don't like that you can't select over that. That's weird. Whatever, it's fine. Okay, so forbidden, you got this blinking cursor. That'll maybe be a clue that you should highlight. And you can see you can report the bug. Right? Kind of cool. Okay, that's dark mode. Done. We've done object, and dark mode. So let's go back. var dump. This is object. This is where people are, oh no. Oh no, I haven't done var dump. I've done forbidden and what? Error. This is the object page. It just looks normal. You click on the link. Everybody, okay. Yeah, we're good. So we got 2 of them. Now let's do 404 or segfault. Okay, segfault, Teach had a good idea. Let's do segfault. We're almost done. We're flying through these. So rename this to Easter eggs, segfault props. We'll come back to that. This is going to be rename Easter egg segfault. Okay. Cool. What are we doing with this one? We're going to put a big white thing over the thing. Forbidden, this one is which one? Debug? Yeah. So, like this. I'm going to just label these so I don't forget. Or I guess it's in the thing. Easter egg segfault. Easter egg segfault component. Okay. I don't need to put the labels in there because it's right there. Object. Dark mode is right there. And then I still got to do var dump. Okay. Segfault. Let's go into this one and let's change it. So if we go to, what did I say it was? Debug. This is the debug page. It looks just like object right now, but we're going to change that. I feel like the code should be a stack trace of like a, I feel like it should be Go or C or something. What led to the MySQL decision? Sylvan, it has not actually been asked that much. And I think the main thing, what's up Rah on YouTube? I think the main reason is Dax likes it. Yeah, Dax likes Planet Scale a lot. I do too. I don't have like strong opinions. Planet Scale has been really great. There's a lot of cool features in Planet Scale. Big fan. Okay. Text white. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a big white. What did he say exactly? He said, yeah, that one's good for object. What did Teach say? 4 could be no. I gotta find Teach's idea. Sorry, one sec. The error text inside of the white. Just put a white box over everything after a third of the way down, he said. Like 1/3 of the way down, it stops rendering. Okay. The page only gets 1/3 of the way rendered. Yeah. So the background is going to be white over everything. The error text inside of the white. Like it's segfaulted, basically. Okay. And then maybe we'll change, what's up Java? Maybe we'll change the error text, but let's do this first. So imagine we're going to make like a div here. And it's going to be, actually it's going to be behind all the text, right? It's going to be absolute positioned, absolute. This one's got to be relative. It's going to be absolute. It's going to be like bottom 0, inset x 0, and then it's gonna be height 1/3. Okay, and it's gonna be BG white. No, why didn't that work? What is wrong with this? I'm on the right page. Debug. Oh, let's just do this. Yeah, I'm on the right page. Okay. Absolute bottom 0, inset x 0, height 1/3. Do I need to say the width? Width full. I thought the inset x would do that. Yeah, it didn't. Okay. Typo insex. Oh. Thanks. So I don't need width full. Okay. So we have this like thing. It's not actually okay. Interesting. I don't want it to be. I want it to be the whole page, not just inside of this thing. So if I just delete that, that works. Okay. So it might need to be more than 1/3. Oh, it's 2/3. He said he wanted it to be like 1/3 of the way down. Yeah, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. Look at this. It's actually looking pretty good. Oh, you guys can't see it because my dumb head's in the way. I'm so sorry. Well, you kind of can. You can kind of see it. Whatever. Okay. So if we do that, then the text, though, unfortunately, you can't really read the text. So how do I want to get around that? How do I get around that? Anybody have any ideas? I feel like all the text needs to be white. Veru, where do you mean the text should be white? The text over the white should be white, or the text under the white, if you know what I mean? Also, why is it? It's kind of like blocking. What if I do z minus z10? There we go. Now it's behind the text. Okay, this is getting somewhere. Is this good enough for segfault? Where you can highlight the text if you want to see it. It's different from dark mode because it's just like a mess. What do we think? Anybody have opinions on this? Can you see enough of it? Here, let me pull it over here. What do we think about this? You have to like highlight the text to see it because it's just a mess of a page. Or should I try and make the lines below this? It's hard because it's like 1/3. Like I can't just say line 5 and on because that'll change depending on as you move this around. See, now it's line 2 and on. How would I do that? Do you guys think the text should be changed? Last attempt with the help found on Solid Community. Not gonna lie, I would stick to what you have, but today I learned. Oh, thank you so much, Ben Edgman. Another creative idea here for the... I'm gonna paste it over here so I can look at it in a bit. What do we think? What do we think about this for segfault? It might be good. I feel like we should change the error to be like C or something and show like a segfault error. Maybe. What do we think? It's cool. That's all we think. It's fine as it is. Okay. That's that one then. Let's do the next one. We got one more. One more and we can publish all these pages. Oh, you know what? I just remembered we can't push anything to prod right now. We're going to have to put in a patch to kill the international shipping. Average? What do you mean, Paul? This is just average? You can make so the user needs to F12 and delete a DOM element to get to the Easter egg. It's true it is dev targeted. Interesting idea. Coffee is black bottom, white top, though? What? Oh, Matt's. An example of using context for numbers can be found on the Solid Playground with anonymous. Okay, so we got another idea from Matt's here. I'm gonna paste this link over here so I can look at it as well. So I'm sorry that you're getting filtered. I don't know if that's something I can change on my end or not. So I got a couple playgrounds here where people are trying to solve my line number issue. I will look at those, if not on stream, shortly thereafter. I do need to finish these pages though. What is B and R? Those are just short. It's just short for spans. Hey, Paul, why'd you say average? Are you saying that this idea is average? What are you saying? Those are just short span, just because I have to do a bunch of them and I wanted to just change the color very tersely. Paul, do you not like this? It's in my head now. If you don't like it, I want to know. Could you tell me what you think here? I want to know. I want to know what Paul thinks. Is this good enough for segfault? You're welcome, Veru. So as a reminder, we've got forbidden, which is dark mode. You got to highlight the text to see it. Okay, dark mode, pretty cool. We've got error. This is the object page. Just looks like a JavaScript error. Report bug. Cool. And then now we've got which one? Debug. Debug looks like a segfault. I wish Teach was here to tell me whether he likes this or not. It looks bad, but I guess that's the point. Yeah, it's the point. It's supposed to look like it's segfaulted. I don't know if I love reusing the highlighting again. Yeah, I don't either, Veru. I wish I could just make the text, when it's over the white, make it a different color. Okay, what if we did this? Not text white. Oh, of course. Of course. Text white becomes text gray 7. I'm going to regret 7. I don't think that's the right one. What would it be? It would be... Well, let's try 7. Fine. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Oops. I just rickrolled myself. That's not terrible. The state of that is kind of busted, but again, this whole page is kind of busted. Oh, the line numbers then would be a different color too. Should the line numbers be a different color too? I know there's probably a way to make it so that only text over the white area is a certain color. There's probably a way to do that, right? But I don't know how. Would it be with like CSS filters or something? Here's a Go segfault if you want. Oh, hey, thank you so much, Praline. Let me copy this text. We'll see what the text looks like, how hard it would be for me to... Okay, yeah, I like this. We're going to change the text to look like... Could you give me one longer? Hey, Praline, could you give me one that's like more text? Is the only thing. I just need more text. Oh, interesting idea though. What if on the segfault one, what if the text were just above the white? What if it were so short that it didn't interfere? I don't know. I kind of like that it looks so busted. Like the text is like hanging over the... what if I change those to gray 5? Text gray 7, text gray 5. No, you can see it less good. I'm not loving how hard it is to see here. What did Adam do now? Why does the page look broken? It's supposed to, Etsy. We're making the segfault page. It's supposed to look like there was a segfault. Has anyone reached enough Adam bucks to get a call with you? Yes, I've done one Black Koala baby. We all just do the Mac entries. Yeah, mostly that's what people spend their points on. Okay. Well, I've got a dilemma here. I feel like we're so close on segfault. I'm so close, but yet so far. Text gray 7. What if we tried text gray 9? Oh, that's somehow worse. Oh yeah, it's worse on light, better on dark. I think it's a trade-off. I don't know how to fix that. Maybe I should have this only be based on the line numbers, not a third of the way down, but be like, so that I can control what the text looks like on top of the white. What do we think? What do we think? Or maybe this is just good and I'll just change the error to be a go error. Let's try changing the text. Let's try this. This is a go one. A go segfault. Oh, you even made it like themed. Oh, that's so good. Terminal.shop, command, coffee, go. Look at that. Wait a minute. Terminal shop. This isn't actually. Yeah, how did you do that? you typed that out manually. Panic, runtime error, invalid memory address, nil segmentation, violation code. Yep, I'm gonna use this. I like this text. So we're gonna do line 1. Let's see. I need to be able to reference the lines. This will be line 1. And we'll do some of it colored. But I'll get to the colors here in a second. This is line 2. And then we've got a blank line, which I'm actually going to leave a blank line. I like that. And then we got this. Like that. And then we got coffee main. And then I want that to be indented like that. So how do I want to do that? Like this? No. Nope. Nope. How do I indent it? Maybe like that? Yeah. Last one. exit status 2. Feels good. Okay, and I'm gonna delete some lines. Maybe this is better that it'll be shorter. Maybe that'll work in our favor here for the styling. Where was that? Exit status right there. So that's gonna be, instead of 14, 8. Okay, let's take a look. It's missing all the colors. We'll do some colors. How do I want to do this? Idhetch, welcome to chat. Also, Jin welcome to chat. Maybe an animation of the text slowly rendering in would sell it a bit better. That sounds hard. I mean, I'm trying to get all this done here in the next, like, I don't know, 10 minutes. That sounds pretty hard. How do you become an AWS hero? Just do a lot of stuff in the AWS community. Blood, sweat, and tears. Many tears, that's right. And what we're coding right now is some Easter eggs. They're just some little Easter eggs for terminal.shop. Did my indenting not work? My indenting did not work. Why? Well, let's just do this. We'll just do margin left. Yeah, that's good. Maybe 10. Did that not change? Oh, okay. 15's not one. What, 18? Nope. Is that too far? 18 wasn't one? Is 16 one? Yeah. Let's try that. Okay, let's see. Does this look like a seg fault? Does it look like a seg fault? The third of the page down thing is kind of screwing with the colors of the text. Oops. That's the only problem that I see. /T for a correct tab indentation. Oh, really? That'll just work? Oh. So if I do this, if I want double tab, no. Why didn't that work? You're saying like this, maybe? No. It's like getting rid of the tabs or something. Is this Astro doing this? What's... I don't know. I'm getting hung up on... This is fine. It's the black and white thing that I got to figure out. Usually it's white text on a black background. Yeah. What we're trying to do, though, is we're trying to make it look like a busted page. We're trying to make it look like a seg fault. So this was the idea. Teach had this idea for this page, and I like it. It's like 2/3 or a third of the way down. It just goes white, and it looks like a broken page. The problem is I need the text to be visible on both light and dark mode. That's one of the problems. And I can't just say the first 2 lines or something because it changes based on the viewport size. Could I do like a filter? Could this somehow like change? Could the white actually manipulate the text color? How could I do that? So I've got this div. Is there like filters or something? Filter, backdrop filter. Is there some way I could like change the blending? Blending? It's called blending or something, right? Blend, mix, blend. Here we go. This is what I want. One of these is going to be it. Maybe. Invert? Is there like an invert? Background blend or mix blend? You know what I'm saying? One of these is going to do it. Difference? I don't know. I might need to play with this in the... all the pages look busted. Are you ready for the tweets telling you it's broken like a drizzle team gets? Yeah, that's what we're hoping for. I mean, that's the whole idea. I think I need to play with these properties in the in here. So mix blend. Let's just change this. Darken. Is anything going to affect the text color? Do I need to do background? None of these have changed the text color, right? Not yet. Okay, let's try background blend mode. Come on. Come on. Why didn't it? What? Oh, there we go. Background blend mode. Yeah. Nothing. It's not doing anything. Okay. Well, that was a good try. Mix blend mode difference. Maybe. Difference. Do I need to change the text color in this too? Does this need to be like text? What happens if I do text blue 11? Nothing. Nothing. What happens if I change? No. Okay. What if I just don't have that? Oh! Hey! We're getting somewhere. Hang on. We are actually getting somewhere. This did it. So, okay. So text gray 7, let's go back to... Oh, actually this works. Text gray 7, text white. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Make sure the text is rendered over the background. You likely need to place the white div on top and the stacking. Yeah, that's what we just did. We did it. How does one get handsome like you? Well, thank you, Jen. I don't know. Sometimes I fix my hair. I think that helps. You've configured it. Never mind. Is this good now? T would work if it's surrounded with pre. Oh, Crapasaurus. It sounded like I was saying crap, but Crapasaurus, that's what I want. I want pre. And I want to do /t. Oh, what did I do? Actual error page. What did I do? What's wrong with this? TT. Huh. What if this was just a P? And what if I did class white space pre? What's wrong with this? Can't have T's? What's wrong? I broke it real hard. Did I break the... I think I just literally broke the thing. Undo. Okay. Span? Yeah, I think the pre... it does not like this. Why does it hate it so much? Oh, I did P. I meant to do span. Still, I don't understand why. I don't understand why. Still. Oh, that worked. Look at that. It worked. Okay, you can't have nested P tags or something? I don't know. Can't have a P and a P? No PPs around here. Turns out, didn't know that. Okay, we did it. We did it. This could be a pre then, I think. Oh, maybe not. Am I going to break it again? Rip. Here we go. I'm trying. Nope. Oh, can't do it. Undo. I'm sorry, okay? So let's play around with these different... I want to do... Let's see. I want to play around with these mixed blend modes and see if one looks better. That. And then we're going to change this. Which one do we like? Hey, breakfast? Thank you. I was going to come up in a little bit, but now I guess I could stream a little bit longer. Yes. Thank you. I'll need that back to finish my stream because I can't hit buttons. Okay, yeah. My wife brought me food. Believe it or not, straight to jail. Yeah, exactly. Welcome to chat, Solo Rogue. Okay. We're changing these. We're finding the best one. So far, difference is the best one. Exclusion's the same. So far, difference and exclusion are winning. And they may be the only ones that work at all. Yep, okay. Difference it is. Well, what else? Anything else we change about this? This is looking pretty busted. That looks like a seg fault. I love it. Look at you guys. Twitch chat coming through. Why can't I select the text? Oh, I can't actually select that text because it's underneath. You see that? Oh, can I click the button though? I can't click the button, guys. Oh no! That won't work. Because now we have the thing on top. How can I get around this? Oh, I just need to put... don't tell me. Don't tell me. I know how to do this. We just need to say mouse events or whatever. Pointer events, none. Yes. If this works... Oh, look at it. Look at it. Feels good. Okay, cool. Exclusion was the trick. That is doing it. Lay it on top. Exclusion looks like a thing to me. Looks like a seg fault. I love it. Thanks, guys. Let's move on. Last one. What do we have? Easter egg. We haven't done 404 yet. I'm kind of dreading this one because I feel like this one's going to take more of my brain. In the sense that I want to start with object. There's no design, and I need to make it look like a 404. And 404s are always really well designed. So it's like kind of a bummer that I have to actually think of stuff now. Let's see. Forbidden. Is this 404? No. var dump? Yes. Okay. This is going to be, thank you, dear. This is going to be Easter egg 404. Did I do that yet? Yeah. Okay. Easter egg 404 component. You guys can thank my wife that I can stream just a little bit longer because I got breakfast here and I don't have to go make it. Okay, so that's, what is this one? I can't keep these straight. This is var dump. Okay, and then we can go in here to Easter egg 404. And if I go to var dump, it's going to look just like the object one. Feels good. So I got to make this look like, a, can you inspect and click the button that way? That would be funny. But I want people to actually figure it out, and I don't think people will figure that out. So needs to look like a 404 page. And to do that, I'm going to have to actually think. So I think I want like a big centered div. I don't think any of this is going to work. None of it. I think it's going to be just a div. Oh, do I need the editor? I might need the editor. Let's see what this looks like. Nothing. Okay, cool. So at the end of the day, it's just going to be a big centered 404, right? So we're going to have I want to keep this. So we're going to have a P, no, H1. This one is actually an H1. 404. Class. Text 3XL. Text white. Okay. Class. Flex. Flex call. Items center. Justify center. Is that what I want? Someone tell me what do I want. Should I do it with a grid instead? I want this thing to be the height of the page. Height full? No. How do I want to do this? Align center. Align, oops. Align center. Will that give me a height? I want the height, you know what I mean? I want it to be in the middle of the remaining space. Oh, if I did like this, if I did grow. So if this is a flex, what what if I did this? Someone tell me if there's an easier, a better way to do this. But what if I did this? Class absolute inset 0. Okay. And then inside of that, I guess I need to make sure the parent is actually, let's go to the layout. The parent actually has to be relative. Okay. So what if I did this? Or I'm not going to do it there. I'm going to do it down wherever the slot is. Yeah. What if I said a relative here? Okay. And then what if in here, oh, this is object. Oh no, this is 404. I just haven't renamed these. I want to rename them right now. 404. I'll just get confused. I'm easily confused. Easter egg 404. Okay. So we've got this. Now we have this absolute inside, and then inside this, if that thing's the full size, then if I do a flex in this one, and I say, like I make this grow or something, what am I trying to do? Flex 1? Is that what it is? Okay, now I'm guessing. Now I'm just guessing. Why am I just guessing now? What about grid? Is the best way to do it vertically a grid? Somebody tell me what to do here. Depending on your root wrapper, you could try flex 1 to fill the space. That's what I was just now trying, and I was skill issues. What about centered, position absolute, top 50? Yeah, I hate using the translate thing, but I guess I could just do that. The thing that Kevin Powell shared. Does this work? I really don't want to watch a YouTube video, Triv, just to like get an answer to this question. The body isn't filled to the viewport. Of course. This isn't gonna work. Oh my god. We're actually having a hard time centering a div. Yeah, Ben Hedgeman, I wanted to center it vertically. I don't want to say like screen, because it's not the whole screen. What if I did this? No. What if I did this? What if I did in here? So we have header, and in here, what if we said grow? Grow. What if I grow that, and I flex call this thing? How is this one done? How is this? Yeah, what if I do this? What if I say, why do I have all that product hunt stuff in there? We're not even on product hunt. In this one, I could say flex call. Did I break it? No, did not break it. Okay, hear me out. Now, this whole, let's see, if I go up the body, so main is still not the right height. Okay, so that didn't actually grow. Does it need to like grow 1 or something? Working on Freedom Day, that's right, Kabani. Stop looking at me, I know nothing. Welcome to chat, Trevo. Height screen on the body? I'm just trying to avoid that. I was trying to avoid filling the screen. But I think you're right. I don't even know why I'm trying to avoid it, actually. Well, because it's min height screen, right? Because if it grows, like if the screen gets too big, it'll still overflow, right? Yeah, it'll still overflow. I'm not messing with that, right? Yeah, okay. So this is fine. This is fine, right? I didn't break anything. I feel like it's just so scary to touch things like that. So min height screen. Did I even need the flex stuff? Maybe I didn't. Should I get rid of the flex? Height screen the body, flex all the way down. Since your body isn't a flex box, it is a flex box now. See? So is this good? Use border white to debug on the div and parent to debug. Yeah, I should be doing that. What if you grow your beard? What? Okay. I think I got it. Guys. I don't know if the flex... Yeah, I think the flex was necessary. And this thing grows. So the main now... Like if I do this, border red 5 or 11, whatever. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So this thing now... I think this is good. I got the full height to work with now. Now in here, in my 404 component, I can say absolute inset 0. I didn't actually need to do that, do I? So flex 1, flex 1, flex call. Item center, justify center. Why is that not now? Border red 11. Oh, do I need to do height full? That's what the absolute height full? No? What did I do wrong? Hello, elusive. Welcome to chat. Should work. Unsure on the min height screen. Typically, I'm doing dashboard layout, so place a scroll container elsewhere. I see. Don't need absolute. Just flex item center, justify center with full height full. Yeah. So flex column. I've got height full. What's wrong? What's going wrong here? This is nested inside something. It's nested inside something. It's in the page var dump. No, it's not. Layout. So let's do border blue 11. What's wrong here? So height full, flex column, border. What's wrong with this one? Flex 1, items center, justify center. Do I not need flex 1? CSS is fun. Drop the flex call. Oh, why did I do flex call? Why did I think I needed that? What is the problem? Item center, justify center, flex border. It shouldn't need width full. That wouldn't matter. What's going on here? Inspect element time. Yeah. Is this an Astro Island issue? It's an Astro Island issue. There's this dumb Astro Island component. Because that's all the right height, and then the Astro Island is in the way. How do I... Is there a way in Astro to make the thing not the thing or something? Pretty sure the parent is not heightful. Yeah, it's got this stupid Astro Island component. How do I get rid of it? Yeah, that's the problem with heightful height screen. So let's go to the Astro component. Can I actually change the Astro thing? Is it the slot? Or let's go in here, var dump. Is it in here? Class. What would this need? Heightful. No, it didn't change anything about this, did it? Class. Oh, it did. Heightful. Oh, the Astro Island needs a flex all. Right. Flex 1. Also flex call. Jeez. This is hard. So now if this thing has that, then let's do a border on this so I can see it. We're having fun, right? Oh, I don't even see the green border. So this thing is not rendered at all. Props class. Hang on. Astro Island as child or something. I don't. How do I? Anyone know the answer to this? I think the imparent needs a height. I am so over this. Claude will solve this for you and take your job. My current Twitch username. Welcome to chat. These blends will be indefinitely available. Okay. Pretty sure the parent is not heightful. The best Easter egg bug is the one on the bottom left corner of the screen. Okay. Never do CSS on Twitch. Because everyone knows some answers, but everyone's saying all the answers. And I'm trying a mix of all of them, and it's all broken. Welcome to chat, Ruik. Yes, we're going to be working on Pro AWS stuff next week on stream. I'll be working on it in the mornings. Lots to do on the Pro AWS front. There will be more workshops. There will be a self-paced course. It has display contents on it. What's that mean, Mighty Richard? Welcome to chat. I don't even know what that means. You're saying this Astro Island has display contents? How do I make the Astro Island stop sucking? That's the question. If you want to get highbrow, you can get blends that only run for part of the season. We're going to have some other things coming soon, and I'm very excited about it. Don't you worry. There will be new fun things. It's not just going to be these blends forever. Okay. This thing is paining. It's paining me. Child. There's some way, isn't there some way to like not create the element or something? No, it has to have the element. Oh, this is so annoying. Oh, what if I did this? Oh, of course. All the things I did in here, I need to undo and do them at the page level. I feel better about this anyway because I don't like that I was messing around with this. Oh. Okay, I don't like that I messed around with this layout stuff because I feel like I'll break other pages. It's just hard to test it all, you know? So let's do it on just this page. Here, we're gonna do all those things we just did, but we're gonna do them in here. Oh, except this doesn't actually show anything. Like I can't even show the border. Why? It's like this doesn't have the ability to style it. How can I fix this? Oh, and it has to be on the body tag, doesn't it? Oh, this is so... I hate this. I don't think you need to mess with width, dude. No, I definitely don't need to mess with width. Display contents. Mighty Richard, I don't... Where is that? Where do you see display contents? Can you tell me what element you see that on? Is it on this Astro Island and I don't see it? Display contents. What are you talking about? Try flex. Look at the dev tool styles. Oh, right here. Display contents. What's this? Astro Island. Oh. So what does that mean? In combination with floating position, turn side of the box. Like flex this. No. Okay, I'm abandoning the idea of doing anything inside the Astro component. I just am over it. Over it. Honestly, this is why we're moving to Solid Start. It's just I'm gonna do it on Solid Start because it's a solid app that we're building, and the indirection with Astro just doesn't make sense. Like we just need to be able to build a solid app. Over it. I'm actually over centering it vertically, if I'm being honest. We're just not going to. Centering beat me today. I was unable to center a div in 2024. Feels good. You tried. You're good, Richard. You guys all tried. What is it? Yeah, what is it, Mighty Richard? Can main not be relative in the page content absolute? Try with margin, so margin Y auto. There's so many things that have to happen before that, though, Richard. Like, right now the body is not the full height of the screen, you know? I could go back to that, though. Sorry for chewing and eating. That's really gross, actually. Sorry, guys. And girls. So I could come in here and I could say the body is going to be min height screen, min height screen on the body, and then this we're going to make flex 1, flex call, like that. No. Height full. No. Oh, I need to do that. This just needs to be grow. And then I need to do that on the body. This is flex 1, flex call. Right? Okay, so that gets us to at least the main is full height. Now, if we go back to our Easter egg 404, can't believe I spent so much time on this one. At least my instincts were right. I did dread this one. Remember when I dreaded this one? Ariel, welcome to chat. To center vertically, the container needs to have class height full flex item center. Yeah. That's what we just did, I think. Typical CSS. Welcome to chat, Languid Basil. Kevin Powell in here. That'd be great, actually. So we're going to try the margin Y. Have you tried fixed since the page only needs it? No. We'll get there. I don't know if this works in Astro, so you can center the entire island. You should center the entire island itself. Oh! That's a good idea. So let's get rid of all this. Let's get rid of this. Okay. So now it's just a plain. Now let's see if we can center the whole island. That would be cool, actually. That would be cool. var dump. Oh, of course I can. I can just do it in here. Duh. So flex 1 item center. Like that. Justify center. I guess if I didn't make it flex call, then it would have. What? Why didn't that work? Why didn't that work? Not flex call? What? What? Why is CSS so hard? Border, orange. Why is it so? Oh, I didn't do height full. Well, isn't that what flex 1's supposed to do? Now, hang on a minute. Your Easter egg component is filling. Why would I have to do height full if... Doesn't flex 1 take up the whole... No. Going backwards. Height full. Yeah, see, flex 1's supposed to do that, right? Don't need to do height full since flex 1 grows. Oh my god. I hate CSS. It's official. So if we look at the layout, right above the slot, I'm going to figure this out. This thing right here is the full height. This main is the only parent. Wait. No, it's not the only parent. Oh, there's an Astro Island between them. Okay, I'm over it. I am so over the way the Astro elements are getting in the way of my layout. My beautiful layout. Can I style this? I'm gonna feel bad if I can just style this. Border blue. No, I can't style that. What am I supposed to do with the Astro components? How am I supposed to actually style anything? We're close. We're so close. We're gonna figure this out. Doesn't flex one only grow with flex call? Designing 404 error page is more frustrating. Yeah, this is the most frustrating thing I've done all day. It's possible to set that div before the layout. Yeah, but that'll affect all my pages. Like, I feel pretty good that now the main element takes up all the space. I haven't broken any of these pages yet. Big yet there. So I feel pretty good about that. I can't really do much else in here. COSD, thanks so much. Yeah, nobody knows how Astro Islands work. I feel like we're watching a neural net learn. Just keep changing random things until it works. Try centering from the main element instead. That's what I'm saying. I can't do it from here because this will affect all my pages, and I only want to affect the page that I'm working on. So in here, I need to be able to say, it's like I need to understand Astro. Let's see. Let's go to okay. No. I need somebody who really knows Astro right now. I need someone right now that really knows how to do stuff with Astro. It's somewhere in the docs. I don't know how to find it. Fragment slot header. Let's do this. Astro Island CSS layout. Ah! Ha! Overcoming styling frustrations caused by Astro Islands and slots. Yes! Yes! I know when it creates it. That's fine. If the component with client directors can slot, Astro will create an Astro slot tag. Include a component without client directives. Astro will not create Astro Island and Astro slot tags. Yeah, it's only because I have the hydration. And I know it has to have that to hydrate. That makes sense. So it only creates it when you create client directives. Styling components can be unpredictable because some components will have client directives, others will not. Problems arise when the DOM contains Astro Island and Astro slots. That's because these tags change the document flow. Yes. 4 extremely frustrating things. Direct descendant selectors no longer work. Lobotomized owls no longer work. What the hell is a lobotomized owl? What is a lobotomized owl? Did he make this up in this article, or is this an actual term that people use? Can someone tell me what a lobotomized owl is in the context of web development? You guys can pause on all of your... Sounds not vegan, yeah. You can pause on all your CSS suggestions. We're going to learn, I think, right now. In this article. No idea, never heard of it, never heard of it. Lobotomized owl, huh? Oh, that's the lobotomized owl. What's up, Robin? Hey, Robin. Maybe you know. Do you do Astro stuff, Robin? I know you know CSS really well, right? You work at Tailwind, so you must. Okay, whatever. CSS grid position no longer works. Nth child no longer works. Okay. So how are they working around stuff? Direct descendant selectors, that's not our problem, but I just want to get some clues. Imagine you want to have this HTML. But Astro creates this HTML. Yep, that's the problem. If you wrote a direct descendant selector, that selector wouldn't work. Right. Fixing it is, okay. That's not going to help me. Lobotomized owls no longer work. Okay. Elements with display contents will have their styles ignored, so any styles added to these elements will be ignored. Easy way to fix this is to add the styles to the elements contained in Astro Island. Here's what the CSS... Okay, whatever. I think that's what you're trying to tell me would fix. Adam, focus! Focus! I'm focused, Paul. I feel like someone is actually... smacking their screen right now trying to tell me the answer. Haven't used Astro yet apart from the initial setup for testing Tailwind. What's happening? We just have an issue with this Astro slot component that they inject in for hydration, like for client-side hydration. It's messing with my Flex layout. You know what I'm saying? There's probably a very obvious answer to this. Okay, no styles work on them. Grid column, grid row. Not be able to change components position with grid column. First way is to bypass Astro Island with the technique mentioned above. No. Second way is to put the components in another element. Also not going to work. We have two Astro Islands at play here. Okay, this is not helping me. This is not helping me because this is not my problem. Not my problem. Ugh. What is that produced HTML for context? Or what is the produced HTML? I'll show you. So if we look at this component, we have so here's our body. Let's go all the way to the body. On body, we have, we're doing flex 1, flex call, min height screen, right? And then on the main element, we have, what? Grow. So the main fills the rest of space. That all works great. Chef's kiss. Everything's good. Now the problems arise. Here is our, which one is this? This is this div I just created, trying to test something. So this div, oh, wait. Why is this div not inside of an Astro thing? Wait, there's no Astro thing between this. The first Astro Island occurs here, which is this Easter egg 404 component. And that's a problem, but I feel like I should be able to actually make this one. What am I doing wrong here? This is just wrong. If I change styles on this thing, I should be able to fill that space, right? What if I do this? So flex and flex 1 aren't working. What if I did, what if I absolute it? This div is not height full. Height full doesn't seem to do it. I feel like I know what you're saying, that should do it, but it doesn't do it. Does it need to grow? No, it's not inside of a layout. Are ads going? I'm so sorry. Ads, we'll see after the ads. Sorry about that. Keeping those pre-rolls off. The flex item center, it's not filling the height of main. So if I do flex item center, it's just not filling it. Why? What if I did this? What if I did absolute inset 0? Okay, if I made the thing relative, then this solves my problem. No? That solves my, no. Did it? It did. That solves my problem. Is this terrible? Is this bad? Now the main is not heightful either. Main is already flex growing. And set height on child. The problem with doing CSS on Twitch is all of us are CSS noobs and we're all saying things out loud. And it's just a big mess of whatever. It's not the worst, but just setting your main to flex so that it's using display flex would also work. Does it? My fear is that going to affect other pages. I don't want to affect any other pages. And my fear is if I futz around too much with this main tag, I'm literally changing every page on the site. Can you copy paste your main wrapper so I can look in Tailwind Playground? Yes. I can. You want the whole document? How about the whole document? Where can I paste that, Rick? It's not going to paste into Twitch chat, okay. It's going to be too much. Let me know how I can send that to you, Rick, and I will. Or you just want the main wrapper? Or you don't want the whole element with all of the contents under it? Play.tailwind.css, just paste it in there. That works. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Do you want the whole HTML element? You've got it for my screen. You already got it? You don't even need me to do anything? Okay. Cool. Okay, this works. Do we have problems with this? I don't think so. I think I need to move on. It works. We're still somehow centering a div, people. We're still centering a div. So I can get rid of this. I can get rid of the main, the border on this one. Okay, now I can actually get to the thing of centering my thing. So this one has a border red. Oh, I guess in the parent page, I need to actually make this flex call items center justify center, maybe? Everyone's gonna tell me don't do flex column. I think you're right. Look at it. It's gorgeous. We did it. We did it, everybody. You know what's funny? You know what's actually funny? I'm gonna bring this over here so you can see it. We just did all this. We just got it to center vertically. I don't know if I love it, if I'm being honest. I don't know if I love the centered vertically. Like, I'm wondering now if it'd be better at the top. Those are intrusive thoughts right there. Well, Paul, it sucks right now because you haven't seen reported for abuse. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. You had Vitesse all over again. Probably like a quarter down. Yeah. You guys haven't seen the end state. Let's actually style it and see if we still hate it. I'm probably still gonna hate it, but okay. Don't need that. Let's do maybe just like that, and then that's gonna be like 7XL or something crazy. 404. Is that too big? 404, and then we're gonna have a little like just a p tag, little peepee, and we're gonna say page not found or something. Let's see, class text gray. How many grays do I have? Page not found. This isn't convincing enough. We could have report missing link or something. Report missing page. Would you guys stop? Paul, you're turning into Dax. Dax isn't here, so you've decided you have to be mean. As a side joke, here's a proper way to center a div. Okay, let's see what this is. I need a little comedic relief at this moment. A little comedic relief. Finally learned how to center a div. Oh my god, it's so bad. It's not even joking too. It's like, that's how it feels to center a div. Okay. I hope I didn't break any other pages. That's my main thing. So 404 page not found, all that just to do this. And now I need to drop the, let's put this error thing. What is this error component? It's a line. I don't have lines on this page. I guess it's just a link. It's just a hyperlink styled to go to report. And then on click, why can't I go to that? Huh. Why can't I go to on click? It's an HTML div element. Okay, I think I can just do this. We're just gonna have a report bug, so it's just an anchor tag. Href report report missing link, missing page. Class text red 11. Do I want to put like a little like external link icon there maybe? We'll make the text a little smaller. Text small. What do I want to do to this? What do I want to do to this? Report bug. I think we should stick with the report bug language. Report bug. Report bug. And then I'll put the little external link. Where is that? Is it online? Is it this? Is it literally this? Square right? Yeah, this is literally it. I'm just gonna copy that whole thing. Let's see, hidden. I know now that this is the old size 5. I know that now. Text inherit, maybe? We're gonna make this inside of a flex. So we'll do a div. Oh, did I put that inside the hyperlink? I guess I did. That's okay. Right? Can I do that? Can I just make like, can this be like flex in here? Yeah. What would I have to do? Text center? Or I'll have to do like MX auto. No? Well, how do I make that? For styling using Twitch Collective AI, it doesn't seem to work. Yeah, exactly. How do I center this thing now? Oh, the irony. It's an A. Maybe I should make this a div. A div. And then the classes go in here. And then let's see. Oh no, actually, it's like this. Like this. But that gets me back to the problem of like, I don't know how to center that anchor tag. What do I have going on here? These are just stacked. I should make these like flex call gap 2. Oop. Except why did I do this? I'm getting sloppy. Report bug needs to be centered, and it's in an anchor tag. If I put the div outside, I still need classes on the anchor tag. Okay, that's fine. So if the nope. If the div is on the outside, then I need class flex gap 2 there, right? And then here, this can be like MX auto. Or could this have been text center? No, it needs to be MX auto. Okay. Text small, text red. That's text inherit. Feels good. What else? I don't like the spacing at all. So, you need some coffee? I think I do, Hacksaw. You know a place? Parent needs a width full. Is that what it was? I could have just solved it that way. For styling using Twitch, what did I miss? Welcome to chat, Matthias. What's stack? This is for terminal.shop. We're using everything. It's basically everything. The web stack is like Astro and Solid. Keep in mind with Absolute, you'll need an inside wrapper if the contents are too big so you can scroll. That's why Absolute, it's not the most elegant solution. Oh no! Did I mess that up? Is this not going to scroll now? Well, this one won't scroll, but that's okay. Because this page is just going to be very small. This one's fine. This one is fine. It doesn't affect my other pages, right? No. Those still scroll just fine. So we're good, right? I think we're good. This page won't need to scroll, so we're good. Well, how did I just break that? There we go. Okay. 404 page not found, report bug. The problem is this is too convincing. I feel like this actually looks like a 404 page, and people won't click the bug. You think people will click it? Why is it doing that? Why is it jumping to the bottom like that? We're about done here. I'm probably gonna stop here pretty quick. Even though I did have breakfast, and that should allow me to keep going. I am fed. I'm worried people aren't going to click on this. Let's do target blank. Is it that? Is that right? We no longer need this signal. Oh, ironically. This is so ironic that this one could actually... This one doesn't need hydration. That's hilarious. We could have gotten rid of the... I can get rid of the hydration, which gets rid of the thing. This actually gets rid of the Astro component. That's so funny. Why can't I go to it? What? That means it's time to almost stop streaming because things like that start happening. So this one is actually just a static page. It's just got a link on it, and it rickrolls you. 404 page not found, report bug. I think this is probably okay. Is this okay? Do we want to review them all? Haxor, yes. The LSP, not my favorite in Astro. I need to hammer that home more. I need to talk to them about it because they asked for feedback and I just forget to tell them. I've told them before that I have issues with the LSP, but it bothers me more and more all the time. Yeah, nuke in Vim or restart LSP server. It's fine. It's fine. I mean, it's fine for now. So let's go through them all. Let's just go through all the pages. I just did this. They're all done. So we have what? Vardump, this is if you hit the link on the 404 bag. So we have bags of coffee. People are going to be receiving these bags of coffee very soon, today or tomorrow. And on the sides of the bags of coffee, we have printed very faint little links. One of them is terminal.shop/vardump. That's for on the bags, the 404 bags. So we have a coffee blend called 404. I've got them all pulled up here. So 404 is one of our coffee blends. It's a decaf. Caffeine not found. Get it? So 404 on the very side of the bag has a little link that'll take you here. It's going to say 404 page not found. You're going to click report bug. You get rickrolled. You guys are in on the joke. You guys know this now. But the other people, the hundreds of people that have bought coffee that aren't watching this stream right now, they're not going to know. So there's that one. Redirect home. That's an option, Nixia. We'll think about that. To test responsive. Oh, you got an extension for that? I will look at that later. Okay, so that's that one. Then we've got this one is our object-object blend. So object-object is very JavaScript themed. We've got like a bunch of JavaScripty stuff going on the back. And on the side of it, there's a link that'll take you here. And it looks like a big JavaScript bug, right? Failed to load, blah, 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 blah. Just a bunch of garbage. You report bug, and boom, you got rickrolled. Okay? So there's that page. Then there's the next one is debug. This is segfault, another coffee blend of ours. Segfault is, it's segfault. It's themed after a segfault. So that's what the bag looks like on the side of it. You end up on a page here. Looks like the page is broken. It's a segfault, right? What happened? Report the bug. You get rickrolled. Okay. And then lastly, what was the last one? Someone error? No. What's dark mode? What is it? Forbidden. So on dark mode, we have a blend called dark mode. Looks like this. On the side of the bag, takes you to a page like this. And you're like, oh, where's all the text? There's clearly some text here. What's going on? If you highlight it, you see the text. Okay. Wait a minute. What? Failed to load. Oh, the red text does not show up on the orange. Why is that? I broke something. I'll fix it. But you have to like highlight the text. Oh, I actually broke a lot of things. Oh no, this is what I'm talking about. When you start messing around with the layout, you break stuff, and I broke this. Let's go back to it. I gotta fix this one real quick. That's not big enough. It's not big enough. Dark mode. Here we go. So I broke it with my layout change. What a bummer. This is why you don't mess with layouts. Text transparent. It's the selection. Selection. It's not supposed to look like that. Why did I break it? The Restless Cat. Thank you so much for that Prime sub. You broke my coffee page. Welcome to chat. Should have used CoffeeScript. Exactly. That's the problem. Change color, text line 14. Shows but color not contrasting. No. We broke this page. I guess you won't stream anymore when you're finished with this terminal work? No. I'll be streaming all kinds of other stuff. I'll stream some StatMuse stuff. I'm going to stream... There's also just a lot of terminal stuff left. Tomorrow, all day, we're going to be streaming terminal stuff. When did I break this? How did I break this? Is it the absolute? It's the absolute, isn't it? Okay, let's go back to the layout. I know you guys can't see this now. Let me switch over here. So we made, what did we do? We changed this to be flex. Where do we set selection? Where do we set that CSS? It's in here, right? Yeah. So why is my selection, my inner selection stuff not working anymore? I don't actually understand why this doesn't work. Because this was working. Selection, background gray. See this right here? Let's inspect. Let's inspect it. It's this div right here. So why is the selection styling not working? Selection. Here we go. Text white selection. So it looks like it should be working here, right? It's saying it's overriding those, as it should. So what's wrong? What am I missing? Anybody see obvious issue? Let's refresh. I'm gonna hard refresh the page. It's just not working. I tried doing this. What's up, Shreya? Still no. That changed though. See that? Now the text is black instead of white. Oh. So something was working. The white text was working. It's the gray isn't working. Did I delete gray 7 or something? No. What? Is this obvious and I'm just looking right past it? Okay, let's retype it. It's possible that I just am typoing. Skill issues. Selection. BG blue 11. Let's just try that. Let's try something totally different. Okay. So now why not gray 7? Why not gray 7? Huh? Why not gray 7? What is it about gray 7? Why not gray 7? Anybody see it? Also put class to R. Which Apple Watch strap? I've never had that question. I actually don't know. I'm sorry. I actually don't know. Gray 7. Background gray 7 is that color. That is correct. Selection. Background gray 7. What's the deal here? It's this kind of stuff, you know? There, that looks better. I mean, it's not gray 7, but it's better than what I have. What is the deal? What? Why? Why? Stuff like this drive you crazy. Anyone see any reason? Because of contrast issue? No, because that's worse. You can't read that text. Background gray 10. This is so obnoxious. Okay, so that works. It's not quite as contrasty. I don't like it as much. I want gray 7. I specifically want gray 7. Okay, I'm going to settle for gray 6 because apparently I can't have gray 7. I don't know what's going on. It's so messed up. Maybe it's stripping away that classroom CSS. Now that's a good point. Am I like... Okay, let's just restart the... Is it possible that I'm not like interpolating the text or anything? I'm not doing anything weird like that. Is it not looking in my TSX files? Is it not looking in my TSX files? Let's look at our tailwind config. Is it not looking? No, TSX, it's in there. Source, TSX. Source, yeah. No, it's definitely looking in there. Okay. I don't know. Gray 7 just not liking it. I keep looking at it thinking there's going to be something wrong with it, but there's nothing wrong with it. Whatever. Looks like Chrome doesn't like that color. Try it in Firefox. It was working earlier. That's what's so weird. Oh no! I've created a horizontal scroll. No! No! How did I do that? Is this what I did when I messed with the layout stuff? Is this the layout messing stuff? Terminal.shop. Let's see if this has that issue. Oh, it has one too. Okay, we're fine. I didn't break it. I didn't break it more than it already is broken. Cool. What did I do? What did I do? Why did it go back to that? Did I go back to... 6 was working. 6 was working. What happened? Oh my god. I'm gonna pull my hair out. What in the world? Are you kidding me? Right now? Selection text white. Selection background gray 6. It has the color right here. Let's try it in Firefox. Unbelievable. I've got Firefox over here. You guys can just take my word for it. Doesn't work in Firefox either. It's something in Astro. I'm blaming Astro. In the config, make it red. It keeps not working. It keeps it just stops working on the color that I choose. This is so cursed. Oh my god, I want to punch my screen. That works now. 7 works now. Whatever. I don't know. I'm shipping it. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. It's not Astro. It's probably something else. I don't know. I think it's because you have a custom config for the color overrides and something is breaking. Yes, something is clearly breaking. I'm going to ship this stuff, but I do have to also do something else before I ship it. I have to turn off all the international shipping stuff. I have to put some blockers in there so that I can ship this to prod. I tried that, Shreya. I tried to bang in front of the class. No good. So anyway, I got to do several things. Off-screen magic. Exactly. I'm gonna block the international shipping with a commit to just turn that off until we sort out the cost issue. It's just too expensive. No one's gonna buy it. You're not gonna want to spend $50 on shipping for a $20 bag of coffee. You're just not gonna want to. Maybe somebody will do it, but you want to pay exuberant prices for coffee? We're talking like way more than the actual coffee. Enjoy the 4th. Hey, thanks so much, Leo. I'm going to enjoy the 4th. You all enjoy whoever you're gonna raid. I'm gonna take you somewhere on a journey. This has been fun, as always. It's always fun. Australia's used to it. It's been fun. Maybe we could do it again sometime.